Meaning of hyperactivity.
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 Hyperactivity. Hyperactivity is a term used to describe a state of excessive or restless activity. It is commonly associated with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects both children and adults. Symptoms of hyperactivity can include fidgeting, restlessness, impulsivity, and difficulty staying focused. It can also lead to problems with social interaction and academic or occupational performance. Identifying and managing hyperactivity can involve a combination of medication, therapy, and lifestyle changes. While some level of activity is healthy and normal in everyday life, excessive hyperactivity can have negative impacts on a person's overall well-being.